Are you interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, but find it difficult to keep up with daily chart analysis and rapidly changing market conditions? Voltarion is a next-generation platform designed to make digital asset management simpler, more transparent, and more efficient. By combining advanced technology with an intuitive interface, it provides users in Thailand with access to a comprehensive set of analytical tools and portfolio management features immediately after creating an account. Learn more about Voltarion through the link in the video description. Voltarion is built for anyone looking to expand their investment opportunities and explore the potential of digital assets. Its simple and user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced investors. The platform continuously processes market data in real time, identifying emerging trends and significant market movements. It adapts to changing market conditions while delivering insights tailored to your investment strategy and risk preferences. By setting your financial goals and risk level, you can make more informed, data-driven decisions. One of Voltarion's key strengths is its ability to analyze large volumes of market data in real time. Continuous monitoring helps users better understand current market conditions and identify potential opportunities in a fast-moving environment. Discover all features of Voltarion through the link in the video description. Security and privacy are top priorities for Voltarion. The platform uses advanced encryption and multi-layer security systems while adhering to widely recognized data protection and compliance standards. All user data is stored in a secure cloud environment to ensure reliability and trust. Getting started is quick and easy. Registration takes just a few minutes, and customer support is available whenever needed. After creating an account, you can customize your analytical tools and portfolio settings according to your investment strategy. Voltarion is designed for users who want to integrate advanced technology into their long-term investment approach. Whether you are focusing on portfolio diversification, market analysis, or efficient digital asset management, the platform provides tools to support different investment goals. Its AI models analyze not only historical data, but also current market trends and relevant factors, offering deeper insights that help users adapt to changing market conditions. Investing in cryptocurrencies doesn't have to be complicated. Voltarion simplifies access to market insights and helps users manage digital assets more efficiently using modern AI-driven technology. Visit the link in the video description to learn how Voltarion can support your digital asset investment journey in Thailand.